Ever had your Wikipedia bio deleted within minutes? Learn the Sandbox method to publish your biography page in under 4 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact sequence. Access your Sandbox, write your bio, refine the details, preview it, and hit publish. Click the Personal Settings link in the upper right. Then click on Sandbox to head into your personal editing area. Now, in the Sandbox, type in your autobiography, your own story in your own words. Then, make any necessary edits to polish it up. If you want to preview it first, click on Show Preview to see how it looks. Finally, click on Publish Page to make it official. And that's how you create your biography page. Happy editing! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.